Now we're going to talk about social presence in online learning. My name is Daniela Duarte and I hope that you learned something new today. The first big question: how can social presence in online learning environments contribute to the provision of differentiated instruction? Well, I think that to answer this question, it is important first to identify the advantages, the challenges of learning environments, and after that, we're going to understand better what social presence means by recognizing the key elements of it. So, the advantages. Well, there was a study carried out by the authors that I will be mentioning at the end, where they were testing this approach with high school students, and the students were the ones recognizing which were those advantages and challenges. The first one is uh, pacing. So it was better scaffolded activities they required to do. There was a development of the ability to work ahead. They practice within scaffolding of soft skills. This means time management, communication, and collaboration. So this online environment provide them with tools to better manage their time, um, to communicate with their peers and also with the teacher, and to collaborate to accomplish a common goal. Um, they mention also something in regard to feedback. It was early, continuous, and there was peer feedback. This means that they have the possibility to have various perspectives over their work, providing them with more ideas about how could it be improved, and also um, the student was able to recognize what was done well, because sometimes it's difficult for them to identify that. Interaction intensity and community cohesion warranties that students are not further isolated in their virtual environments, even though there is a belief that students are isolated when they are studying online. That's not true. Why? Because they are creating a community, and as they create it, they begin to develop a sense of belonging. In regard to the challenges that they were exposing, they mention responsibility, because it's not that easy to control yourself and to be aware about the dates and the times you have to deliver certain tasks, so that make them more responsible, but it was not that easy. Time management, as they are too autonomous, sometimes it's difficult to identify in which moment do they work better. And of course, as it is online, there were some technical difficulties downloading and opening some files, which is usual, not only in online environments when there is not or there are not face-to-face sessions, but also when the environment is face to face, and sometimes they need to use the computer. This also happens. Okay? Accessibility of websites, accessibility of time restricted activities, course materials, and learning management systems. So it's important to test them before we assign something, because if they're not able to access the material, they will be not able to develop the activity we're asking them to do. Um, and sometimes it was difficult for them because they do not have enough experience to fulfill the needs of the course. So for example, if they require to record um, a podcast, um, they could know everything about the topic, but if they were not able to use the tool, it will be not that valuable